tocar, tocar. This one is good. Tocar means to play, but we're not talking about playing a sport. We're talking about playing an instrument. We're playing an instrument. You know, it could be the guitar, the piano, flute, I don't know, anything that you can play. And it's very curious that tocar means to touch, but it also means to play. So it's all about context, 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 context. So let's look at some examples using the verb tocar when it means to play. Okay, let's see what we have here. Tocas muy bien el piano. Tocas muy bien el piano. Good for you. I mean, this is a great phrase to say. You can even use it as a template. You just need to replace the instrument that you're playing or someone is playing, and that's it. If you want to say you play the piano very well or you play an instrument really well. Okay, so let's see. Let's break this down. Let's see how this sentence works. Tocas. Tú tocas. We don't need tú. You can just say tocas, and that means you play. Okay? You play. Tocas. And that's the meaning where we have the verb right here. Tocas, you play. Muy bien. This can go in the middle of the sentence or at the end of the sentence, okay? So you can say tocas el piano muy bien or tocas muy bien el piano. It's the same thing. It works and it's correct. Muy bien, that is a great phrase that means very well. Very well. It also means, that's the main meaning, very, very well or very good. Okay, muy bien. Excellent. So we have el piano. El piano means the piano. So it's almost the same pronunciation. The one in Spanish and the one in English. So keep that in mind. That's very easy to remember. I love it because it's pretty much the same word in English and in Spanish. Tocas muy bien el piano. You play the piano very well. You can change this to something else. For example, we're talking about the guitar, right? Tocas muy bien la guitarra. Okay, the guitar. La guitarra. La guitarra. Okay. Or tocas muy bien la flauta. Any kind of flute, really. This is just, we're referring to any kind of flute. You play the flute very well, okay? So you just have to change the instrument here, and there you have it. You can just say to someone, hey, you play this instrument really well. Tocas muy bien anything. La flauta, la guitarra, el piano. Okay. Excellent. We had el piano. 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 I have twice. My God. I have twice the. Sorry about that. The piano. You play the piano very well. Excellent. Excellent. Now let's look at the next example. This is a very easy meaning of the verb tocar. Let's look. Let's see what we have here. Me gustaría tocar la guitarra. Me gustaría tocar la guitarra. This means I would like to play the guitar. You know, you're just expressing that you would like to learn how to play certain instrument. And that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. That's a good hobby, actually. So, me gustaría, this phrase here is very useful if you want to say, I would like to do something, you know, or to, it could be anything, to eat something, to play something, to do anything that you want to do. So I would like to, and then you add the verb tocar, play la guitarra. La guitarra means the guitar. Okay, so we have tocar over here and tocar over here as well. It's conjugated. When you use the phrase me gustaría, if you want to add a verb right after, you have to leave it in the infinitive form. So that means you don't conjugate it, just insert the verb right there. And it works. It works. It's correct and it works. Me gustaría tocar la guitarra. I would like to play the guitar. The guitar. Me gustaría comer galletas. I don't know why I'm saying galletas so often. Maybe I want some cookies. I don't know. Me gustaría comer galletas. I would like to eat cookies. Me gustaría viajar más. I would like to travel more. Me gustaría dormir 8 horas. I would like to sleep 8 hours. So, me gustaría is a great phrase that you need to add to your vocabulary for sure. So remember, tocar means to play an instrument. To play an instrument like piano, guitar, flute. I don't even know. I think there's a saxophone as well. El saxofón, el clarinete, clarinet, of course. And yeah, any musical instrument. By the way, musical instrument in Spanish is instrumento musical. So that's a very literal translation of musical instrument. Instrumento musical. That means musical instrument. 2 words, with 2 words. Instrument. Okay, so there you have it. There you have it. Tocar means to play. Excellent. Do you guys have any questions? Any questions at all?